We partnered with PRP High School about 2 years ago, and we started with 4 to 5 kids that just co-opted with us, worked half a day Monday through Thursday with us. Once those students graduated, they were offered full-time employment. 3 of the 5 took us up on it, 2 more went off to college. Last year was our second year with PRP, and it was equally successful. We had another 4 that co-opted with us, and all 4 became full-time employees upon graduation. So our second class of PRP students that just were hired on full-time just graduated this past week. We hope that not just by getting these kids in, we can staff up to where our levels need to be. We can also give back, and we send our employees over to school about once every other week to mentor the students on how to be better welders, how to be young adults, how to be employees in a growing marketplace, and how you as an employee can add value to a company moving forward.
For me, welding is, kind of my own little place to just have an empty mind in my helmet. So I'm able to do that, and just to find a place. Some people, they play sports, they do different things to relax. For me, welding is one of those places where I'm able to kind of be free.
As long as they have good work ethic, they're still going to be successful. And I feel that here at PRP that is one of our major goals, is for our students to be successful. I want to brag about them all. I can tell you that today is the first time in over 20 years that I've been teaching welding that I've had to do I've done a signing with a partner with us. And that says a lot, not just about the program, but it says a lot about the school. 4 years ago, this was a girls' locker room. And when I came to PRP 4 years ago, we didn't have a weld shop. That's what makes me proud to be here and to watch these guys succeed and know what type of full-time employment that they're making with full benefits and things like that, because that's what the ultimate goal is.
The opportunities for students are what we're seeing today, full-time employment, the day of graduation. These guys have been working for a week or a couple weeks or so. And
I just want to add a thank you to Mr. Lytle and Mr. McCoy, as well as the students. This has been a great partnership we've developed over the past 3 years. You guys that have come to work for us have been a great part of our team, and you're now ambassadors for this program as we grow that relationship between PRP and WireCrafters.
These are our recent graduates, so everybody give them a round of applause. They graduated last week.